Macarons, the tiny, colorful cookies that look like they belong in a jewelry box. Light, delicate, and famously tricky to make. But how do these little French icons actually come to life? Let's step inside the world of macarons. Fun fact: macarons aren't originally French. They were brought to France in the 1500s by Catherine de Medici, an Italian noblewoman who loved almond-based pastries. But the macaron we know today, two shells with a creamy filling, didn't appear until the early 20th century, thanks to the Parisian patisserie Ladurée. Since then, macarons have become a symbol of elegance, celebration, and, let's be honest, a little bit of luxury. Surprisingly, macarons use only a few ingredients: almond flour, powdered sugar, egg whites, and sugar syrup. That's it. But the magic isn't in the ingredients, it's in the technique. And the technique is where things get serious. It all starts with a French or Italian meringue. The Italian version, the one most professionals use, involves pouring hot sugar syrup into whipped egg whites. This creates a shiny, stable meringue that gives macarons their signature smooth tops and perfect feet, the little ruffled edges at the bottom. Here's the kicker: those feet are the #1 sign of a successful macaron. No feet, no glory. Next comes macaronage, the folding technique that separates beginners from masters. The batter must be mixed until it flows like thick lava. Too little mixing, and the shells crack. Too much and they flatten into pancakes. This step alone can take months to master. The batter is piped into perfect circles, and yes, professional kitchens measure them with templates. Then the shells rest. This drying stage forms a thin skin on top, which helps create that iconic smooth surface. Crucial condition: humidity is the enemy of macarons. Some bakeries literally check the weather before making them. The shells bake at a precise temperature, usually around 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. Too hot and they brown. Too cool and they stay flat. When everything goes right, the shells rise, the feet appear, and the kitchen smells like sweet almond heaven. Once cooled, the shells are filled with ganache, buttercream, or fruit puree. But here's a secret: the best macarons aren't eaten right away. They're stored for 24 to 48 hours to mature. During this time, the filling softens the inside of the shell, creating that perfect, chewy, crispy balance. Why do these tiny treats come with a big price tag? Macarons are pricey for a reason. Almond flour is expensive. The process is delicate and time-consuming. A single batch can fail because of humidity, temperature, or over-mixing. And every shell must be identical. Same size, same color, same texture. It's edible precision engineering. So the next time you bite into a macaron, remember, you're tasting centuries of history, science, and craftsmanship packed into one tiny, elegant cookie. Delicate, colorful, and absolutely worth the hype.